Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the May 2018 Horror Bam Box. Yes, I love this box. We have this beautiful box to open. As usual, it's small, it's light, it's exciting, but that's okay because Bam Box is generally more focused towards art prints and signed autographs. It's about $36 a month. And you can skip a month, so it's really easy. You just got to be on top of it, like going on the website. If you see the franchises and you don't like them, skip the month. That's what I always do. For instance, I skipped the original box a bunch of times because I wasn't really into the franchises, and that's $36 in my pocket. But the horror box, I generally never skip. Ooh, there was something rolling around. So I'm going to put all the info down below. You can check it out yourself, and let's just get down to the unboxing. So as usual, there's probably black paper on top. Yep. Oh, that looks interesting. All right, so there's the black paper, and first thing I see is this. It looks like a bullet, like a shell, shotgun shell. Not a bullet, shotgun shell. Ooh, it is heavy. Look at that. You see that, guys? It has like etchings in it. Really cool. I don't know what that's from. That's heavy, heavy, heavy. And it must have been in this little wrap. Yeah, it rolled out of it, but I don't think anything could damage this. This is like, seriously, like, yeah, that's heavy duty metal. Okay, next item. Oh, we have a 1-up. That's cool. So with Bam Box, they have this system where you can get 1-ups. And if you get a 1-up, that means an item in your box is a limited run of an item or a variant item that's less common. So let's say if they have 3,000 prints, you could get a limited print, which is a different color or even a different like drawing, and it could be of only 500 of those made. So we have our pin, and ooh, we have Puppet Master. So there we have a pin. Oh, that is so cool. So this is Pinhead. Is it Pinhead? I think so. I think that's what he's called. Only 250 made. So this must be our limited 1-up. So that's really awesome. And if I open this up and I look at the back of the pin, it'll be numbered. So it's out of 250, but this will be also numbered. So that's pretty awesome. I love that. The detail is really amazing on this, because he has such a small head. I'm pretty sure this is a Puppet Master. All right, then we have our art print. Or actually, no, this is a comic. Ooh, we got Evil Ernie. Oh my God, I haven't seen Evil Ernie in, oh my God, years. That's awesome. I really like Lady Death in general. So like Evil Ernie just goes hand in hand with that. That's pretty awesome. And I like that it's bagged and boarded, so it didn't come bent or anything. Sometimes they just throw comic books, not Bam Box, but other boxes. Just throw comic books in, they come all bent and messed up. This is how you should ship a comic book, bagged and boarded. So that's cool. Evil Ernie, yes. Okay. And then now we have our art print and then our autograph. So first up, the art print. Ooh, what do we get? What do we get? Oh, what is that? Oh, okay, I remember now. So last month we got the first edition of the print. Oh, I have it right here. Oh. Let me see. Oh, too many art prints. Okay, so this was the first one. We got this last month, and you can see it's like Legends of Horror, and this is the second one. So they're doing kind of similar in the original box. They had 3 art prints every month that you could combine. So this is the second one for the horror box. So this is the second Legends art print, and that's cool. So the first one I got number 542 of 1500, and here I got number 611 of 1500. So that's cool. Oh my God. Oh, we got Freddy's arm. Freddy Krueger's gonna be in the last one. You see right here? You see his arm right there? Oh, he's gonna be in the 3rd print. That's my man. So that's cool. So the first one kind of focused more on like Jason and Chucky, but then this one has Michael Myers front and center. And then you have like there's the the Creeper from Jeepers Creepers. We got another Krite from Critters. We have a Krite in this one too. Those little Krites are everywhere. That's cool. And then we got Ghostface from Scream. And that's pretty much it. And you can see part of the face right here of the alien in the middle. Can you guys see that? I can't really see if the light is, there we go. Okay, I'm trying to get the light glare from not ruining. But this is awesome. This is gonna look so good when I frame it. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. So cool. And the artist signed both prints. So that's freaking amazing. All right, now we have our autograph. Oh, okay. So we got, it's a movie poster, Twilight Zone, the movie. That's cool. And it's signed by Larry Cedar, who plays the creature in the segment Nightmare at 20,000 Feet in the Twilight Zone movie. Okay. So in the movie, not the TV show, because in the TV show they did have that same, they had an episode, Nightmare at 20,000 Feet, and that's the one with William Shatner, and then it's all black and white, and you see the monster on the wing of the airplane, and then nobody else sees it, and he's freaking out. Yeah, in the movie, I forgot who plays William Shatner's role. I think, is it John Lithgow? I don't know. I might be I think it is John Lithgow. So this is the gentleman who played the creature. You can see it right there. That's awesome. This is so cool. All right, so those are all the items in our BAM Horror for May. Now you can see the spoiler card. You could have gotten a variant, and that's the creature tearing up the wing right there. You could see it. You could have gotten a different Evil Ernie, a different cover. I like this one because it has Evil Ernie on it. There's the print, and that is our limited. So we did get that. Oh, the regular was cool, Blade, and 6-shooter was the really rare one. I might try to see if I can get those. And then here, Constantine. Oh, that makes sense. Yes, now I know why that looked familiar. This is a Constantine Holy Shotgun Shell replica by Dark Matter Props. This is awesome. Very heavy, very dangerous. Could be a weapon. All right, so there's a giveaway, and the giveaway is Bill Moseley hand-signed airsoft gun inscribed Otis. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. So yeah, again, BAM Horror just blows my mind every time. I love it. Everything. The prints, everything, the replica, the pin. I love it. I'm just so happy. And, oh, his name is Pinhead. I just spit everywhere. Sorry about that. His name is Pinhead. I got it right. Yay! All right, guys. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. I love anything horror, but BAM is really, really just like, it's calling my name every month. Loving it. So comment down below. Let me know what you think of this box. If you like my channel, if you like my content, hit the like button, click the subscribe, and let me know you're out there. Bye-bye for now.